Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to go over the postcards that sold on eBay from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 14th, 15th, and 16th. Or no, the 13th, 14th, and 15th. Forgot Friday the 13th. So 34 orders, 303, $100 a day-ish. Average for not doing anything. This is Girl with Rings. Ring twice if you're lonesome. And it's artist sign Charles 12 Trees. There's that. His signature, usually a C and a T with a line. But $5.99 for that card. Next is Florida Cypress Gardens. Corky and Corkette the Clown on skis. And that is $7.99. There's the back. And next we have Trenton, New Jersey, 1910 view along Delaware, Raritan Canal, Lockhouse, and Tracks. There's that, $8 on a best offer. Next, Daytona, Florida, Halifax River Yacht Clubhouse, 1907. And that's sold, bought that for 30 cents? No. Yeah, 30 cents, 90% off of 3. $10.99 for that card. And next we have Block Island, Rhode Island, pre-1908 view of the Manassas Hotel. That's what we'll call it. And $7.99 for that card. Next we have Glen Cove Motor Court. This is in Maine. Rockland, Camden is the towns in Maine, and that sold for $8.19. Henderson, Kentucky, James Ellis Park, Dade Park Jockey Club track. So a horse racing facility, and that sold for $16.99. Next, we have World War I era sailor HMS. Yeah, that word. Told to Marines lower deck. Elaborated? I don't know what all that means. Well, it's on there. And that sold for $9.99. I think I got this at the Fishersville, Virginia flea market, which is actually coming up next week that I hope to attend. Or this weekend coming up. World War I era soldiers, doughboys, and camp pre-1918 real photo. So there's that. And there's the back. And again, that sold for $9.99. Next, Fort Knox, Kentucky, M60A1 tanks, Boydston Range Army Training Center. Words are difficult this morning. $11.99 for that card. Hershey, Pennsylvania, the Hershey Sports Arena Hockey Club home. And that sold for $6.99. So I'm not sure if I showed the back. There's the back. Next, Hagerstown, Maryland. Maryland Art Festival City Park, circa 1970s. Love those pants. Woo! Love them. $5.99. Next is Bel Air, California, home of Judy Garland picture inset. There she is. I always pick these up in the quarter boxes, and they always sell $5-6. Next, Art Beautiful Woman, artist signed O. Huber. There's O. Huber. Kind of rough shape, but still $4.99, and that is going, I think that's going to the UK. Next, Springer Spaniel Dog Postcard Standard Arts, Berkeley, California, circa 1950s. Got this in the auction lots from last August, $2.99 for that card. This is Rhode Island, East Greenwich, Earnshaw Rexall Drug Company. Beautiful card. I like the signage, but I have had it up for a while, $8.99. There's interior views of that exact same Rexall drugs that also you think they would sell quicker, but they don't. This is Boulevard Missouri Memorial Hall, Southwest Baptist College. Cannot talk. Another card that came from the auction lots from last August. $1.99 for that card. Large letter greetings from Pensacola, Florida. Circa 1940s linen. It's a nice looking large letter. And took a best offer of $10. Next, we have Sunnyvale, California shopping center billboard, 1950s gas stations and cars. So gas stations behind and old cars. $14.99 for that card. This is New Jersey, Palace Depression, Vineland, New Jersey. I think it's Vineland. George Drainer design. My goodness. $6.99 on a best offer. Yeah, $6.99 for that card. Next is Winona, Mississippi, Hiawatha Tourist Court Cabins, vintage linen. And that 1941 sold for $7 on a best offer. Mount Dora, Florida, Sylvan Shores Hotel, 1950s. And that sold for $6.99. Next is Burwell, Nebraska, short ricker rodeo riding, circa 1920s, real photo. Kind of rough condition. The best rodeo riders are the female doing the rodeo. Some of those can go for well over $100. $6 is what I got for this one. Next, Miss Zena Dare, English singer, actress, 1905, real photo. And that sold for $5.50 on a best offer. I think that's going back to the UK. Next is Fort Worth, Texas. City Skyline, circa 1950s. Another card that came from the auction from last year. $1.99 for that one. Santa Monica, California, Municipal Pier, 1950s. And that also sold for $5.99. This is Suffrage Cats, We Don't Care If We Never Have a Vote, 1909, BB London. So that's along the top. So the women's suffrage movement. And that sold for $34. Next is Hopeland, California, Duncan Springs Resort, real photo. 1950s or so, $5.99 for that one. Savannah, Georgia, Tybee Island, Georgia, Palmetto Grove, circa 1912. Tybee Island stuff always sells very well. If you get the hotels and the houses along the shore, those are your best ones. $8.99 for that one. Youngstown, Ohio. This is Ohio Suspension Bridge, Mill Creek Park, 1906. Really ornate bridge. Sold for $5 on a best offer. We have Punta Gorda, Florida, Everglades Wildlife Park, circa 1950s cars. And that sold for $7.99. Next, this is U.S. Army Military Tournament Artillery Contest. Horses and a caisson. Oh, it's compliments of whatever that is. Merchandising Company, St. Joseph. $6 on a best offer. San Francisco, California, Night View, Oakland Bay Bridge, vintage linen. And that sold for $4.99. And the last card on eBay. Hold on. Let's figure out how to pronounce that.
Oh, hi. Oh, hi.
So, oh, hi. Never would have guessed that. Ojai, California. And I'll forget it as soon as I get done with this video. Ojai, California, downtown shopping area, vintage cars. I would have said OJI or something like that. OJI. Yeah, $4.99. Anyway, so yeah, okay sales, $100 a day. Again, that's average for not doing anything on eBay. I'm gonna keep riding that Whatnot wave. It's been doing extremely well. So there'll be another one Tuesday. You can see the preview here on YouTube. Okay, I hope your sales are terrific, and I hope you have a good week.